Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a living YouTube link using Display.Stream. This is a new and better way to share your YouTube videos. Now if you're like me, you'll upload a YouTube video, share the link with a couple of dozen people, maybe even embed them in some of your websites. You start watching that video and you realize you want to make some improvements. Now to do this now, you have to go to YouTube, delete the old video, upload a new video, and update all the links wherever you shared them. Today I'll show you how to avoid all this using Display.Stream. So first you want to sign up with Display.Stream and open a new story. Click on Apps, select the YouTube app, and enter the URL of the video you want to share. Now click Broadcast. Once you broadcast, you'll see a new feature here called Share. Here's where you can copy the story link, and this gives you the link that you can now share or embed in your websites. And your YouTube video will stop playing. Now let's say you watch the video and you wanted to make some improvements or change the YouTube video altogether. Just go back to your story, click on Settings, and let's grab a new video to share.
Hello and welcome to Display.Stream. Today I'm going to give you a quick video tutorial.
Okay, so copy that new video URL, place it in there, load the video,
FireTV, search for the Display.Stream media player,
and
install it on your TV.
rebroadcast.
When you open the Display.Stream
Now that
media
link
player,
will be updated with your new video.
this will give you a code and a URL address.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this demo, and thank you for using Display.Stream.
Open